Welcome to this tutorial where I will be showing you how to export and import JEDEC part model files into the project tree. We will also see how overlapping faces are automatically broken down by Flotherm, so they can be solved in Flotherm. In this project we have some collapsed network cuboids which, as we can see from the graphical user interface, overlap with each other. This assembly can be exported as a JEDEC part model, which is a type of XML file. We then delete the assembly to have an empty project tree. The JEDEC part model is now imported just like any other assembly import. And as we can see, the assembly appears in the project tree. However, Flotherm has automatically broken down the faces that were overlapping prior to the JEDEC file import, so that they are now abutting instead of overlapping. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.